Wow. Oh, man.
Here in Miami, Florida, and we're going out to catch some tarpon tonight with the boys, with the friends, and we're gonna go try to catch some monsters. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be dark, so I got the light. We're ready to go. I don't really know what's gonna happen, honestly, but I do know we're gonna catch some really big fish. It's gonna be awesome. So, you know what to do. Stay tuned. We're out here just surveying what's going on, the action, for the tide to come in, fish come in, shrimp go out on the hook. Donny's on! Donny's on, baby! Come on, Donny. Oh yeah! Donny, baby! Yeah! Donny!
Hold on. Attaboy. All right. Wow. Oh, man. Let's get some pictures. Big bass.
All right. Donny finally caught a fish. I don't think he believed that we were gonna catch a fish for a while. He was kind of worried, you know, he's kind of like, you know, this is fun, guys, but I gotta go home. Donny got the fish, got the tarpon, got it on film. People are gonna believe him. There are people back in New York aren't going to believe that he caught a tarpon. Because I wouldn't believe Donny if he told me he caught a tarpon in the first place. But we got the tarpon. And the boys over here really hooked it up. Overall, pretty epic session. If you guys are ever down here in Miami, there's a link down below. You check out the Instagram for these guys out here fishing.
In all honesty, it was a good fight, you know, not to sound like I'm a promoter or anything, but like it lasted for about a half hour. It was just a lot of fun, you know, really exciting. I was nervous that I was gonna cut the line or the fish was gonna get away, but I got him. Not so much a lesson in fishing as it is a lesson in life. It was a great time. It's awesome.
What do you guys think about Donny's fishing skills? First time catching a tarpon.
Started off slow, but finally got a fight, and that's all that matters.
Made it happen.
Yeah, I got his first tarpon. You can't beat that. Came out here for that, so.
If somebody wants to go out tarpon fishing, guys, how do they?
Talento Charters on Instagram.
It's a wrap. I gotta get Donny back home. He's got places he's gotta be. I'm gonna go fishing tomorrow morning, but I thought it was pretty cool to take Donny out here, show him what it's all about, that Florida, Miami lifestyle, catching fish, having fun. We had a lot of good times today. It's gonna be sad taking him back to his hotel, but I gotta get him out of here. He's looking tired. It's been a long day for that guy. What time did you wake up this morning?
I was up at 4.
4 a.m. He's still going. The guy's like 80 years old. I gotta get him to bed. He's gotta go. I'm out of here.